Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your BMW i3 range extender. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need an 8mm hex wrench for the drain plug, a 76mm oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have approximately 2.75 quarts of 0W30 synthetic oil, a new oil filter, and a fresh drain plug washer. Always park on a level surface and let the engine cool down. Now that you're prepared, let's drain the old oil. Find the oil drain plug, which is usually an 8mm hex bolt located underneath the range extender engine. Place your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully remove the plug with your wrench, letting the dark, used oil flow freely into the pan. Give it several minutes to drain completely, ensuring all the old oil is removed before proceeding. With the old oil drained, it's time for the filter. Locate the oil filter housing, typically a black cap on top of the engine. Use your 76mm oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove it. Take out the old filter element and replace it with a new, genuine BMW filter. Don't forget to install a fresh O-ring on the housing before hand tightening it back into place. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Find the oil fill cap on your engine and slowly pour in approximately 2.75 quarts of the recommended 0W30 synthetic oil. Once filled, replace the cap. Start the engine for a few moments, then shut it off and carefully check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Lastly, verify the oil level using your dipstick or the electronic sensor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.